This is the trade that I took this morning. So after everything that happened with the tariffs and everything like that, I switched from NQ to start trading gold because NQ has been moving it's been moving it has a lot of volatility. I'm gonna say that.
I don't know if we've seen a 50-point 1 minute candle. I'm pretty sure we have. I keep saying that, and I throw that out as almost a hyperbolic, but I think that might actually be. We've seen some of those, but
it's been crazy. Like $100 wick, and it was just a lot for me for how I was trading.
It's pretty nuts. So we transitioned over to gold. Now, are you trading? I'm trying to see your timestamps. It's tiny. So you're trading overnight.
This is the 1 minute, and this was at 9 o'clock.
That is at 9 o'clock. Okay, I thought I was seeing some double digits. Yeah. I guess that's 09.
So basically, what I started to look for was I started to notice my strategy is waiting on time and the volume.
Okay.
So basically, it's about how is the chart moving, how is the actual ticker moving at a certain time. So I noticed that volume come in on gold, it come in at 21, which is 9 o'clock. It come in at 4 o'clock, and it come in at 9 o'clock.
Gotcha. Okay.
So I trade at 9 o'clock because I'm just used to trading NQ. So I'm trading at 9 o'clock now.
So you get to start a little early.
Yeah, a little early. So I like to check to see if there's news coming out, any high impact news. That's like my first step. Check to see if there's any news. If there's no news coming out, okay, then I know I got a free trade. I don't have to wait on the news and react and everything like that. So what I was looking at this morning was I saw that we were struggling to break this 330 level. This level right here. You see, I have nothing on my chart. That's what I mean when I say price action. But I'll put it on the chart for you if I can. Let's see. It was struggling to break this level right here. So when it finally did break this level, it didn't actually continue, like actually push through it. So that gave me the confidence to take the trade to the downside for it to come down to here.
Okay.
To ride it back down to here. So what I was looking for, it couldn't break it. It couldn't break to the upside. So I was able to just ride it to the downside real quick. I wasn't in it I think I was in it for roughly 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't a very long trade. I'm more so like a scalper. I don't really hold my trades for a long time because what I learned is when I was trading Forex and when I first came to futures is I would be up a lot of money on a single trade, roughly like $600 or $700, but I'll try and hold it all the way to TP. And then it end up reversing back on me and kicking me out of position. So what I started doing was I just started closing my position whole. So whenever it got to a point where I felt like it was going to reverse or I was up enough that I'm comfortable with taking, I just close it and I just walk away for the day. So I'm only taking one trade a day.
That's it. One trade and you're done.
One trade a day. So I took this one trade. I made like $100 on it and that was enough and I just walked away.
Beautiful. Now, let's talk about this level that it wouldn't break through. Now, is there any significance to this level other than the fact that you had that recent high? Was there any particular resistance? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I checked the 1 hour. I checked the 1 hour chart as well. And you look at the 1 hour, you see this is a key level too.
Right. It's obviously been fighting through that level for some time. You have that pivot there. Yeah. All right. So it hits that. Now, are you looking for a specific move? Are you looking for a certain number of ticks or points? I'm not sure how.
I'm looking for between 25 to 50 ticks on gold, which would be with the 50Ks funded would be between 250 to 500 per account.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm looking at the setup that you had here. Are you setting your stop past that previous wick?
My stop loss, it's a dynamic risk, you can say. So I have an automatic set stop loss of 500. Okay. Right? So my trade was like this. My trade was 29.7, and my stop loss is $5 up. Okay, which would be $500, and my TP was right here, 24.7. So it was basically a 1-to-1. Okay, but if it breaks this and it looks like it wants to go all the way up to my stop loss, I'll just close it. Okay. Yeah, so it's just dynamic risk. That's all.
All right. Now, I mean, you presumably keep some stats. I know you use TradeZella.
Yeah.
So have you seen what your numbers look like in terms of, like, do you have a certain win percentage or a profit factor that you live on?
Yeah, I don't. Can I share that?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so this is March when I was just closing my trades as they go, not just holding them, trying to get my full TP. I had 20 accounts at the time, trading them all together. So there's no reason to be greedy in my mind.
Right.
There wasn't a reason to be greedy because if I make 300, that's 300 times 20.